Well, how's it going? Want to mow some grass? Alright, so what's going on, guys? So, another video today. Reason I haven't been uploading lately is because there's freaking snow everywhere, man. So, not a lot to do in the wintertime. And I have the new bike, which you've seen a video on. It's all stored away for winter right now. But you can't exactly ride that in winter. So, we got a new project. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your tires, because this thing's been sitting for about 13 years now. And let me just show you one of the bad tires. So this thing's pretty shot. Now, usually you'd have to get a new tire, but I'm just trying to show you more of the tire. Usually you got to get a new tire, but we're going to see if we can fix these bad boys in a way that you might not have thought about. Now, if you've never done lawnmowers before, never fixed them up, or ever had one, I didn't know this. I found this out when I got this thing. You can put tubes on the inside of tires. So that's what we got for. Went on down to our good old, make sure this door is unlocked, it's Tractor Supply, and we got ourselves some tubes for some tires. So the way this is supposed to work is you put the tube inside the tire, and even though the tires are like dry rotted, beaten up, might have some holes in them, whatever, in theory the tube should inflate inside the tire, fill out the tire, and we should still be able to use these. Now if you're a lawnmower expert and you've done this before, then you probably know better than I do if this is going to work or not. You're probably thinking right now, this guy's an idiot, no way this is going to work. But new tires are usually about 50 bucks a pop on these bad boys. And granted, I got this thing for free. I figured we'd try some tubes, which are like 10, 15 bucks a pop for each tire, and see if we can save these bad boys. So let's try that out. Step number one, we got to get this boy jacked up and get these tires off and try this out. Yeah, got ourselves a little jack here. Now, I want you to know right now, if you've never been to this channel before, I buy all my tools from either Walmart or Harbor Freight. So do not expect quality tools here. These are just enough for us to get by with our shenanigans. There we go. Alright, so we're going to jack this boy up just enough. Oh. Again, don't exactly know what I'm doing here, so alright, let's go get a jack stand, or a couple. Ding 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 ding. Whammo! We got ourselves a floating lawnmower. Now if only we can make it fly. Alright, now that that's done, I'm gonna work on getting these tires taken off. Now, these back ones look like they come off pretty easily. Ha! Let's see if we can get those bad boys off. This looks like a 10 millimeter.
Nope.
Oh, I was wrong. Let's try 12.
Nope.
Oh, just slightly too big. Jeez. Alright, third time's the charm. Let's go one up to 14. Watch, it's going to be a 13. Yup! Working. It's a little lopsided, but you know what? That's alright. Looky there, I had enough juice just to take it out. Now, will it come off? This is my favorite part. Okay. Alright, boys, we've gotten desperate. Now, I'm no rocket scientist here, but I did just put WD-40 on this mug while I'm trying to warm it up. So hopefully it doesn't catch on fire while our wheel's on fire. Crisis averted. Alright, so after beating and torching the rear wheels, we've come to the conclusion that after much persistence, we'll come back to those and go to the front wheels. So, got one of the front ones off. Now we gotta find a little workbench spot. And those seem not important. That's alright. Now, the goal here is to break this bead, which, just from, again, doing some quick research on older tires, suck ass. The smell of fresh rubber. So, the theory here is to get this guy and that guy. Now, it's already off the bead on this side, but I can't really tell what's going on in there. So we're going to try to get it off the bead. Well, the bead's in it. We're going to try to flip this little edge onto the outside of this. And it's probably going to suck. I guess there's these things called spoons that makes this easier. I don't know why you'd want to use spoons. Screwdrivers work pretty good. What do you want me to use next? A butter knife? So it was about 30 to 45 minutes of tussling with one tire. I finally got it all stuffed in there with my makeshift spoons of a timing or a pulley. You know what I mean? This thing and then an extension for this thing. I just can't think of the word off the top of my head. But this is what did it. Oh, pain. So now, we're gonna... I don't have an air compressor, but I've got this little doohickey that's supposed to air up your tire if you get stuck on the side of the road. And that's what we're gonna try to air it up with. And hopefully, all that wrestling works out. So let's see here. Oops. So we want this end, mother lover, parked right in here. I bought this for like 12 bucks at Walmart. Great tools. Alright. And then we're going to take our little thing off there. Tighten this end down to here. And then hopefully I'm seeing movement. Oh, the bottom of the tire's coming out. Oh shoot. Oh man, that's a messed up tire for sure. But we pump this bad boy up to like 10 pounds. It'll work. Whew. All right. There we go. Whew. And that's how you save a 13-year-old tire. So, finished off this video. Yeah, that's how you fix a old tire without buying a new tire. Probably not the best solution given the age, but say you popped a hole in your tire, it's only like 5 years old or something, do that. that was like 15 bucks at a Tractor Supply, and it reuses your tire. And even though if you got cracks or a hole in the actual tire, as long as there's no hole as long as there's no holes in the actual tube, then you're good to go. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. I'm going to get cleaned up here, and yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned. The goal for this bad boy is to make it go at least like 40 or something. Just make it go stupid fast for no reason at all. I just want to do something in the winter. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time.